Hello, me again. It's big news time. Now, you may already be wondering who is this Unity Street Yoga that is suddenly appearing in your social media. It's me. This is the big news. I am changing my yoga company name from Free Spirit Yoga to Unity Street Yoga. This has been in the planning for the last 6 months around. It's taken me a while to get the logo and the website and everything sorted. I will post the links here. The reason for the change is I didn't really feel that Free Spirit Yoga was saying what I wanted to say, and didn't really represent what I'm now trying to do with yoga, which is to bring people together to create connection and community. And I don't think Free Spirit Yoga really says that. It's a name I grabbed out of thin air a couple of years ago when I started teaching again in the UK. It served me well for a time, but now I feel it's time for a name change. So why Unity Street Yoga? Well, yoga can be translated as union. The practice helps to create unity within ourselves and with each other and the world. So there's unity. Why Unity Street? Well, a lot of you will know that last year I lost a very dear friend, Maddie Smith, and my friendship with her really helped me on this path towards what I'm doing now. And she lived on Unity Street. So as a nod to Maddie Smith and all that she represented, love and understanding and togetherness, I am changing the name to Unity Street Yoga. I will be letting you know a little bit more in the coming days, but for now, check out my website and let me know what you think. Have a good day, people.